Good morning students, welcome to maths class. In the previous virtual class we have studied about the division by 20, 30, 40 and so on. Now today we learn division by two digits number. For example, the question is 2489. 2489 divided by 12. We have to divide 2489 by 12. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. We'll write the dividend inside and the divisor outside. Right? Now outside are two digits. Inside also we have to take two digits. Right? In 12 table 24 comes or not? Yes, we'll write the 12 table here. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108. Right? Now in 12 table does 24 comes? Yes. How many times? It is coming 2 times. You can see here in 12 table 24 comes 2 times. So we'll write 2 upside and 24 down. Now we'll subtract it. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Copy down 8. Does 8 comes in 12 table? No, because 8 is smaller and 12 is bigger. We cannot divide it. So when we cannot divide, we write 0 on the top. 12 zeros are 0 only. Minus it. 8 minus 0 is 8 only. Now we have to copy down the next number. 9. Now the number has become 89. Does 89 comes in 12 table? Just see in the 12 table. No, 89 doesn't comes in 12 table. Less than 89, what comes in 12 table? We can see what comes 84. How many times? 7 times. So we'll write 7 up and 84 down. 12 sevens are 84. Right? Now we have to subtract it. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. So 207 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. Always remember that remainder will always be smaller than the divisor. If the remainder is bigger than the divisor, your answer is wrong. Always remember that the remainder will always be smaller than the divisor. Clear, students? So when we divide 2489 by 12, the quotient is 207 and the remainder is 5. Quotient is 207 and the remainder is 5. Clear, student? This is the answer. Next question. One more example I will give you. Suppose the question is example number 2. Suppose the question is 7495. 7495 divided by 24. We have to divide it by 24. Right? Now we know that we don't know the 24 table. Suppose we don't know the 24 table. So what we have to do? First we have to write the 20 table and add 4 table in it. All of you know 2 table. How to make 2 table, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20, right? This is 2 table. If we add 0 in it, what it becomes? It becomes 20 table. Now if we add 4 table in it, all of you know the 4 table, plus 4 table in it. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, then 32 and 36. This is 4 table. If we add them, what we get? If we add them, 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, next 144, 168, 192, then 216, and if we plus 24 in it, we'll get 240. So this we have formed the table of 24 by adding 20 and 4 table. We get the 24 table, right? Now we have to divide 7495 by 24. So we'll write 7495 inside and 24 outside, right? Now outside are 2 digits, so inside also we have to take 2 digits only, right? Outside is 24, inside is 74. Does 74 comes in 24 table? Just check 24 table. 24 table 74 comes? No. But less than 74 what comes? It comes 72. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 24 3s are 72. Right? Minus it. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. Now we have to copy down 9. The number formed is 29. Does 29 comes in 24 table? Just see. No. 29 doesn't comes in 24 table. Less than 29, what comes in 24 table? Yes. What comes? 24. How many times? 1 times only. So we'll write 1 up and 24 down. Minus it. 9 minus 4, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Copy down 5. Now the number formed is 55. Does 55 comes in 24 table? This was the tables. No, 55 doesn't comes in 24. What comes less than 55? 48. What comes? 48. How many times? This is 1 time, this is 2 times. So, how many times it comes? 2 times. 24 2s are 48. So, we'll write 48 down and 2 up. Now, minus it. 8 cannot be minus from 5. So, we'll borrow from this 5. It will become 4 and this will become 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 4 minus 4, 0. So, when we divide 7495 by 24, the quotient is 312 and the remainder is 7. Always remember that the remainder will always be less than the divisor. If your remainder is more than the divisor, that means your quotient is wrong. Clear, students? So, the quotient is 312 and the remainder is 7. Clear, students? I hope all of you must be clear with the division by 2 digits. Now do exercise 4.10 question number 1 in your copy. Do exercise 4.10 question number 1 in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.